going on, folks? 4Runner TV. Welcome to it, or welcome back. I'm not sure which, but it's been a while since we've hit the road, hasn't it? I mean, it's been a long while. I think the last one we did was back in March of 2023. Here we are in 24 January, and we're just motoring out. We're gonna head over to Roosevelt Lake. Hey, here's a casino. Maybe we should go casino. Nah, there's better ways to throw away money. Might as well just throw in the trash. It's a lot easier. We're gonna head out to Roosevelt Lake, and then we're gonna head up to the Four Peaks Wilderness area. Now, if you're outside of the state of Arizona, you're probably wondering, what the heck is that? Well, guess what? After you're done watching this video, you'll know exactly what the heck that is. And I'm just glad you're along for a ride, so let's motor. Well, here we are hitting a place called Tonto Basin. This is off of, I think it's Highway 188. Not a lot to see here. Well, there's a Dollar General. How about that? Imagine the Dollar General being seen in a small town. That's just kind of bewildering, isn't it? Hey, want to see something kind of cool? Check it out. No, over there, over there. That's Lake Roosevelt, but we're going to keep going that way, towards the snow. Hang on. Don't be scared. All right, so there's like a three-way split here, so I'm gonna go up the road that goes up. Boy, is this pretty steep too. Oh, it's not showing up on camera at all. If there was snow on this, I don't think I'd be able to make it. Just too much fighting gravity. Boy, it sure is thin. Let's hope nobody's coming the other way. Oh man, look at that. Oh, boy, that'd be a hell of a tumble. How about I quit looking over the edge and start watching the edge of this road in case somebody's coming? I'm not even sure if I'm going the right way, but why would I go down when I'm trying to go up? Roads that go down didn't seem like it went anywhere, so just cross our fingers. Well, wound up at the Pigeon Trail head. You know, I'm old enough to remember when we used to do this in Volkswagen powered dune buggies. This very same trail, probably. I was a kid. But nowadays, everybody has all these UTVs and side-by-sides, and let me tell you something. They are way more reliable than having your basic garden variety dune buggy out here. So here's where we're at. Lone Pine Saddle's a half mile that way. I think that's the area where I intended to arrive at. So let's go ahead and jump back in the, well, that thing right there, because after all, that's what this television station is all about. Isn't it a television station? Sure it is. It's amateur TV, folks. That's all YouTube is. Well, that and an advertising medium. All right. Enough BS. Let's hit the road. Oh, one more thing. Speaking about side-by-sides, folks, let me tell you something. We are sitting in the ultimate side-by-side, 4Runner. It's got everything you need. All the creature comforts. Yeah, it's a little big, and maybe it doesn't do as much as far as capability, but I tell you, it does enough. Oh man, I gotta go up this. Okay, whatever you say. Careful, you never know who's coming around the corner. You never know. Beautiful up here, I tell you. You know, I think the last time I was up here, there were much taller trees. However, you know how fires are. They tend to, well, just kind of ruin everything for a little while. At least 20 years. Side-by-side campers. Hey guys. Yes, this is exactly the trail I was wanting to arrive on. So we've had a pretty good run on this one. Oh, but we're not done yet. We're gonna go, you know, once we hit the summit, we're gonna go back down and we're gonna hit Roosevelt Lake and maybe see if we can get a picture of that Roosevelt. I think it's called Roosevelt Dam. I don't think it's Roosevelt. That's some dam. It's a big one. Damn it, I can't remember the name. Toyota's like, put your seatbelt on, put your seatbelt on. I'm like, leave me alone. Oh, I see another fork in the road. Huh, go down this way. I think that's a trailhead up that way. Go down this way. Well, my friends, I think we've made it through the trail site. Be honest with you, I'm not going to get out of the truck because I think some of the scenes that we've captured on the way here are much better. That's a pretty cool looking bridge. I love bridges, always have. Love watching documentaries on bridges. I think I've seen every one more than 3 times. At least ones I can find. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So there it is. It is called the Roosevelt Dam. I wasn't sure if they'd renamed it. You know how these people are. You've got to admit that bridge is quite gorgeous, isn't it? Oh, folks, I'm glad you came along with me over here. Nice to see the backside of the Four Peaks and, of course, Roosevelt Lake and Roosevelt Dam. And I really appreciate you guys checking in. Seems like more of you sign up when I don't make videos. So who knows? Maybe I won't make a few videos for a while. But till next time, take care of yourself. And get out there and enjoy the world. This is Ruger. We'll talk to you soon.